Hi, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is part of the Beginning Stamping or Stamping 101 class. And I just want to tell you a little bit about our Stampin' Up! Inks. Again, you open them, and you notice that when you store them, they should be stored just like this, because then all the inks go to the top of the pad, so you don't have to re-ink it as much as you need to. Also, these classic ones, the classic stamping pads, are water-based, so they clean up nicely with water. You can use baby wipes, you can use paper towels with a little water on it. It cleans up. You get them all over your hands, and you will get tons of ink on your hands, and all you have to do is soap and water. They also match our cardstock. So this is Old Olive, and this is the Old Olive cardstock. So you will know that if you put a stamp on the Old Olive cardstock with Old Olive, that's a monochrome one. They all match, and if it says it has in the Designer Series paper, it'll also match. So I really like our ink and our ink pads. Now, again, we only sell the ones that are the foam-based right now. We don't sell the linen ones anymore, but a lot of people have the linen ones, so you may see them around. But I really like our ink pads. So if you like my videos, just watch my YouTube channel and sign up for it. And thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.